Hey, so I wanted to share with you some more easy DIYs that you can do for Easter, for spring, or you can change these up and make these however you want. So I have this set right here of three. They all are different sizes. I'm going to make like a tiered tray kind of candle holder with these. And then I have these little rabbits from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 12. So I'm going to just glue these on to the bottom legs because they're just the perfect height for the bottom leg right there. You can also add extra to this, but I'm just keeping this nice, clean and simple, kind of giving it a little modern look. And then once I have all of those little bunnies in place right there, you can also paint these guys too, but I left them plain and simple. You're going to start attaching the pieces together, so you can just hot glue it, use some strong adhesive glue, and just place that down, let that dry. And then before I put on the next layer, I'm going to attach the bunnies all around. Again, you can do this different. You can put the bunnies higher up so that they're sitting around the top of the base there, but I did it this way. But if you wanted to, be able to use more of the tray space, you can do it differently. And then once you do that, you just attach it again, and then you'll have all the pieces in place. Let that dry, and it came out just nice and simple. I'm using mine as a candle holder, but you can see you can still put things on there. You can also adjust the legs and make them in the center. You have to cut them off and put them back on, but if you wanted more space. So that was that one.